sleepy tie. Let me tell you why you might consider investing in one rather than sleeping with your hair just up in a ponytail holder, which is what I used to do. Because God knows, we middle-aged ladies, we sleep with our hair up. So it is, it's got this like foamy portion right here, squishy foamy, and then this part is a scrunchie. Let me show you how you put it in. So you get your hair up in a high pony, and then you twist it around the foam part. Mine wraps about twice, 2.5 times. And then you use the scrunchy part to lock it in. And it is supposed to preserve your blowout. So your hair is kind of wrapped around this rod at night. So then when you get up in the morning, you take it out and you've kind of got these big bouncy curls. So not sponsored, not working with them, just wanted to share that. Sleepy tie. I sized down for my hair. This is a small. Follow Grownupdish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.